Plastic is everywhere in our day-to-day lives, and we as a society heavily rely on the use of plastic. But do we know what it is made of and where it comes from? The first fully synthetic plastic bakelite was invented in 1907 by Belgian chemist Leo Baekeland. It took off commercially due to its electrically non-conductive and heat-resistant properties, and was used in a wide range of products, from kitchenware to toys. Much of the plastic we know today goes through a long production process. The process starts with crude oil or natural gas, which is first extracted from the ground, then refined to provide the basic chemicals to make plastic. The first plastic products made are small pellets called nurdles. These are then transported to manufacturers to mould them to make products ready to sell. Plastics are polymers, meaning that they are made up of very long chemical chains of repeating monomers. Monomers are the building blocks of plastic. The monomer for one of the most common types of plastic, PET, is being drawn here. There are many different kinds of plastic, all with different properties. Plastic properties vary so much due to the use of different monomers, functional groups, and additives in the production process. This is why we can use squishy silicone, flexible food packaging, and rigid hard plastics, all useful in their own ways. While plastic is incredibly useful in all aspects of life, there is a big problem with it. Once plastic is made, it will never disappear. Around 400 million tonnes of plastic is produced each year, and Coca-Cola alone produces enough bottles per year to reach the moon and back 31 times. All of this plastic does eventually weaken and break down due to weathering. However, instead of decomposing like non-synthetic products might, it goes from larger fragments to microplastics to nanoplastics that stay in the environment and have been found suspended in the air, sea, polar ice, and even in human blood. Plastic pollution in the environment causes problems at all levels of degradation, harming wildlife on land and at sea, entering the food chain, which eventually leads back to us, humans. There are so many things we use in daily life that we know contain plastic, but some uses of plastic are much harder to tell. In the next video, you can find out about 3 products that you probably didn't know contain plastic.